Thank you for choosing us as your trusted partner in learning English. In today's video, two friends engage in basic question and answer sessions. We repeat each QA twice, allowing you to listen to it once and then repeat it again. Remember, practice makes the man perfect. Happy learning.
How was your day at college today? It was good. How about yours? How was your day at college today? It was good. How about yours? Did you attend the morning lecture? Yes, I did. It was quite interesting. Did you attend the morning lecture? Yes, I did. It was quite interesting. What did you have for lunch? I had a sandwich and some juice. What about you? What did you have for lunch? I had a sandwich and some juice. What about you? Did you complete the assignment for tomorrow? Not yet, but I will finish it tonight. Did you complete the assignment for tomorrow? Not yet, but I will finish it tonight. Are you excited about the sports event this weekend? Yes, I can't wait. It's going to be fun. Are you excited about the sports event this weekend? Yes, I can't wait. It's going to be fun. Hi, how are you? I am good. You? Hi, how are you? I am good. You? Did you study today? Yes, a little. Did you study today? Yes, a little. What class was first? Math class. What class was first? Math class. Was it easy? Very, very easy. Was it easy? Yes, very easy. Did you meet Sarah? Yes, at lunch. Did you meet Sarah? Yes, at lunch. How was lunch? It was good. How was lunch? It was good. Did you sit outside? Yes, under the tree. Did you sit outside? Yes, under the tree. Was it sunny? Yes, very sunny. Was it sunny? Yes, very sunny. Did you drink coffee? Yes, a latte. Did you drink coffee? Yes, a latte. Did you like it? Yes, very much. Did you like it? Yes, very much. Did you bring snacks? No, I didn't. Did you bring snacks? No, I didn't. Did you borrow notes? Yes, from Amy. Did you borrow notes? Yes, from Amy. Are you free now? Yes, I am. Are you free now? Yes, I am. Will you go home soon? Yes, in an hour. Will you go home soon? Yes, in an hour. Did you visit the library? Yes, for a while. Did you visit the library? Yes, for a while. Was it crowded? No, it was quiet. Was it crowded? No, it was quiet. Did you find a book? Yes, for history. Did you find a book? Yes, for history. Did you see the notice board? No, not yet. Did you see the notice board? No, not yet. Is there a test tomorrow? No, not tomorrow. Is there a test tomorrow? No, not tomorrow. Are you ready for the project? Almost ready. Are you ready for the project? Almost ready. Did you meet the teacher? Yes, after class. Did you meet the teacher? Yes, after class. Did you ask questions? Yes. About the homework. Did you ask questions? Yes. About the homework. Was she helpful? Yes, very helpful. Was she helpful? Yes, very helpful. Did you take notes? Yes, lots of notes. Did you take notes? Yes, lots of notes. Did you share them? Yes, with Amy. Did you share them? Yes, with Amy. Are you tired? Yes, a little. Are you tired? Yes, a little. Did you finish the lab work? No, not yet. Did you finish the lab work? No, not yet. Will you do it later? Yes, after dinner. Will you do it later? Yes, after dinner. Did you attend the seminar? Yes, it was nice. Did you attend the seminar? Yes, it was nice. Was it long? No, just an hour. Was it long? No, just an hour. Did you talk to the speaker? No, I didn't. Did you talk to the speaker? No, I didn't. Did you enjoy the talk? Yes, I did. Did you enjoy the talk? Yes, I did. Will you come early tomorrow? Yes, by 8 a.m. Will you come early tomorrow? Yes, by 8 a.m. Do you have homework? Yes, math problems. Do you have homework? Yes, math problems. Will you complete it today? Yes, after dinner. Will you complete it today? Yes, after dinner. Did you like the class? Yes, it was fun. Did you like the class? Yes, it was fun. Were you late today? No, I was early. Were you late today? No, I was early. Did you sit in the front? No, in the middle. Did you sit in the front? No, in the middle. Was the teacher strict? No, she was nice. Was the teacher strict? No, she was nice.
Thank you for choosing us as your trusted partner